अभी और सुनिए।
This is the nature of the creature. Why do we call this a political murder? This was not a political murder. This was religious. Can anybody say that the hijab controversy is merely political? It is religious. What did he do? Please tell me something. If somebody is a member of the VHP or the BJP or the RSS or let's say the Bajrang Dal, what crime have they committed? If somebody can be a member of the AIMIM, which effectively represents the party of the Razakars, I say this, why can't anybody be a member of the BJP, RSS or any other organization that represents Hindutva?
यही नहीं, अभी और
That Hindu Dalits Deepak and Lala weren't dragged and beaten by a bloodthirsty mob. That Hindu Dalit Shobu Ram's furniture shop wasn't reduced to ashes. That Hindu Dalit Dinesh Khate wasn't cornered and lynched. That Vivek's skull wasn't drilled into by a Muslim mob. That Ankit wasn't stabbed 50 times after he was already dead. There has been a concerted attempt to turn that riot into a pogrom.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है।
हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का द सैवेज वॉइस के एक और नई कमाल की डिबेट वीडियो में। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में आप देखने वाले हो डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन और जे साई दीपक का रौद्र रूप। मोस्टली आपने देखा होगा कि जे साई दीपक काफ़ी शांत रहते हैं और कभी गुस्सा नहीं करते। हालांकि डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन कभी कभी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, लेकिन जे साई दीपक बहुत ही सौम्यता से जवाब देते हैं। लेकिन इस वीडियो में उनका रौद्र रूप आपको देखने को मिलने वाला है, तो प्लीज़ टिल द एंड जरूर से इस वीडियो में बने रहिएगा। साथ ही अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब मस्ट है, तो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। एंड जितना हो सके उतना इस वीडियो को फैलाना इंपॉर्टेंट है और पूरा देखना सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो प्लीज टिल द एंड जरूर से बने रहिए। चलिए स्टार्ट।
No, it Rahul. In the age of social media 24/7 videography, there were those who believed that Hindus weren't victim at all. That Ratan Lal wasn't stoned and shot. That Dilbar wasn't hacked and burnt alive. That Vinod wasn't lynched because his bike sported a Jai Shri Ram sticker. That temples weren't attacked and desecrated. That Arun Public School wasn't burnt to the ground. That Rahul Thakur wasn't shot to death. That acid and stones and petrol bombs weren't thrown from Tahir Hussein's roof. That Santosh didn't allow her two grandchildren from the window of her house that was set on fire. That Hindu Dalits Deepak and Lala weren't dragged and beaten by a bloodthirsty mob. That Hindu Dalit Shobu Ram's furniture shop wasn't reduced to ashes. That Hindu Dalit Dinesh Khate wasn't cornered and lynched. That Vivek's skull wasn't drilled into by a Muslim mob. That Ankit wasn't stabbed 50 times after he was already dead. There has been a concerted attempt to turn that riot into a pogrom. Painted a different picture. This isn't some ancient Indian history that rent-a-penny leftist historians can airbrush. This happened right before our very eyes, Rahul. You'd have to gouge them out first if your vile propaganda is to succeed. And finally, 20 seconds.
यही नहीं, अभी और
Sanjay, my good friend, you talked of Pehlu Khan and Akhlaq. Here's a question that I pose not only to you, but to every panelist, including the BJP spokesperson. Hoover, Neelima, Jyoti, Prema, GV, Devkala, Zaver, Mittal, Neeta, Harshad, Pratasya, Neeru, Chaya, Chirag, Sudha, Mala, Arvind, Umakant, Sadashiv, Mani, Jaisal, Mansukh, Rati, Jamna, Shanta, Indira, Rajesh, Sheila, Manjula, Champa, Diwali, Lalita, Mangu, Prahlad, Bhimji, Lakhu, Vithal, Sailesh, Amrut, Narendra, Raman. Who were they?
का मैं नहीं बताऊंगा।
Any panelist can answer. Who were these
I'll answer
names?
you.
50
Sanjay
odd
Jha.
names. Answer.
I'll answer you.
Sanjay
I'll answer you, Madan.
I'll
You
say they
rattled
were
50
Indians.
names. You rattled off 50 names. My
What?
answer will come by. My answer comes with only one simple question. Do you know who said देश के गद्दारों को गोली मारो साथ को? Who said?
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है।
This is exactly what I'm saying to you. This is exactly what I'm saying. There is an over-investment. Now, 1 minute.
Seconds. I need to tell every panelist who these names were. These were the 54
you
names
didn't answer
who were
my
burnt
question.
alive in Godhra, in S6 coach. Do we know even single name? Muslim mob hate attacks on Hindus, Dalits and non-Dalits over the past 2.5 years, Rahul, including Bharat Yadav, who was lynched after being called a kafir. Including in Ranchi, where a Muslim mob segregated bus passengers based on their religion before wanting to set it on fire. Including Dalit Gangaram, who was lynched because he dared to file a police complaint when his daughter was abducted. Including breaking Ambedkar statue, thrashing Dalit families after they objected to a Dalit girl, Sarita, being assaulted by a Muslim. Including nearly lynching a Dalit Jayanti Bhatti for daring to wear a Pathan suit.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है।
Including going on a murderous rampage in Bangalore over alleged blasphemy by a Dalit Nitin. That particular instance, you may recall, Rahul, took a backseat to the propaganda of Muslims joining hands and forming a ring around a Hindu temple to save it miraculously. None of these attacks elicit any outrage. I'll tell you something else that hasn't elicited any outrage. The statement recent Mukarram Khan, who said, and I quote him, "Those who stop Muslim girls from wearing hijab will be chopped to pieces," unquote.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है।
And a few days later, Harsha is indeed chopped to pieces, and he did no such thing as stopping anyone from wearing a hijab. His crime was to ask for a uniform dress code. Rahul, you have to understand. Secularism cannot win over Sharia. It stands no chance. This is an argument any one of us cannot win because we are man, not God.
तो अगर आप यहाँ तक वीडियो को देख रहे हो तो उम्मीद है कि ये वाली वीडियो आपको जरूर से पसंद आ रही है। अगर पसंद आ रही है तो कुछ भी नहीं करना, आपको इस वीडियो को लाइक करना है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मात्रा में इस वीडियो को शेयर करना है। तो फटाफट से करिए।
26-year-old boy has just died. His mother is wailing. And we are fighting over politics. And let me say this bluntly, this was not a political murder. This was a religiously motivated assassination. There I've said it. I have to say this aloud. The fact of the matter is systematic dehumanization of Hindus who are assertive Hindus and therefore members of any party or organization that represents this particular ideology is the reason that this particular boy was murdered in broad daylight. And you have so-called editors such as Shekhar Gupta specifically highlighting murder in single quotes as if questioning the fact that this was a murder.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
So this is the nature of the creature or the devil that you're dealing with. I refuse to buy that all of this is political. This is fundamentally religious. And therefore, please let's accept this. Let's at least accept the realities and facts for what they are. You are looking at the third wave of radicalization, and that is the fact of the matter. Those organizations responsible for this must be banned.
Well, you are absolutely right.
How many more murders does the government at the state level and the union level need before they start acting on these urges, on these exhortations? I can't say this enough. We can keep playing these political games, but people who are assertive Hindus are being silenced systematically. It's not just the foot soldier, but people who also represent that particular ideology who are at serious risk.
मारो हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो.
A couple of months ago, we had this news of the RSS headquarters being the subject of some kind of an attack. There were terror threats being issued. This is the nature of the creature. Why do we call this a political murder? This was not a political murder. This was religious. Can anybody say that the hijab controversy is merely political? It is religious. What did he do? Please tell me something. If somebody is a member of the VHP or the BJP or the RSS or let's say the Bajrang Dal, what crime have they committed? If somebody can be a member of the AIMIM, which effectively represents the party of the Razakars, I say this, why can't anybody be a member of the BJP, RSS or any other organization that represents Hindutva? I just don't understand. So I'm sorry to say, I refuse to buy this hogwash. Anybody who minces words in expressing condemnation for this particular broad daylight religious murder is a hypocrite of the first order and is fundamentally an anti-Hindu regardless of his religious affiliation. Whether he's a Hindu or a Muslim doesn't matter. He has become a Hindu hater unconsciously and subconsciously. That is a fact. I have to say this once more. If the state continues to turn a blind eye to these kind of broad daylight murders, then there will come a point where the community that has just suffered another murder will have to look for options outside the state to protect itself because the state comes in only after everything is done and the legal system is not proving to be a sufficient deterrent.
I want to tell you, Rahul, I come on your show because 99.99% of the time we have had conversations where there has not been an outrageous, defamatory or libellous statement made.
तो अगर आप यहाँ तक वीडियो को देख रहे हो उम्मीद है कि वीडियो आपको पसंद आ रही होगी। अगर पसंद आ रही है तो आपको बस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना है ताकि इसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा रीच, मैक्सिमम रीच मिले।
What I've just heard from the advocate here, I've never encountered him before, is an extremely serious charge, and I do intend to follow this up because you know what he's done? He's twisted my statement. He's tried to categorize me, which is what these people do anyway. And end of day, I will definitely pursue what I will believe will be the logical consequence of a very unfair, blatant, and in my opinion, an orchestrated attempt to frame somebody.
I dare you.
Please
go ahead. I dare you.
Okay, 1 second, I didn't interrupt you. Let me speak. Number two, very important to tell your viewers on your show, Rahul, that a lot of people who come on this show, including this guy, Sai Deepak, are actually people who are dangerous to our society.
Acha.
This man is a danger to our society because he's condemned.
You've opened yourself to a fantastic case here. Great. Here comes a legal notice your way. Fantastic.
Where is the charge sheet? Where is a charge sheet on the basis of which he's made allegations against a community? Where is a charge sheet on the basis of which he's actually made very strong statements?
So let's not have a debate on this issue at all until the charge sheet is filed. Is that your argument?
Does he even know what he's talking about?
Okay, let him finish.
The prime accused in the murder of Harsha is named a man named Kashif.
No, 1 second. Nupur Sharma, let him finish. Let him finish.
I think he missed the point.
Okay, let him finish. The point is that
He's not even up to date on the facts.
maybe Sanjay Jha, you just need
That's his
to.
point. I can't be sitting on your channel and check
Let him get his facts straight.
That's his prerogative, but
Let
I
him get his
just.
facts straight.
Sanjay Jha, just a couple of things. Look, you may not be up to the facts in this matter. There have been 3 arrests.
Rahul, my last line and I'm done. I want
Like
to
his
say
former
this.
party, he's behind on the learning curve.
तो आपने देखा किस तरीके से जेएसआई दीपक डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन ने बहुत ही तगड़े फैक्ट रखे। जैसा कि आपने देखा होगा कि बांग्लादेश माइनॉरिटीज पे हमले होते हैं, बहुत सारी जगहों पर हमले होते हैं और ये लोग उसका नाम तक लेने में शर्माते हैं, विपक्ष के लोग, कि उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जिक्र करने में भी शर्माते हैं, उनका मुंह नहीं खुलता इन सब मुद्दों पर। अब डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन और जेएसआई दीपक ने इस पर कितनी बुरी तरीके से बजाया है, ये देखकर आपको जरूर से मजा आया होगा। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना, आपको पूरी वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर से देखा है आपने, एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मात्रा में शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि हमें वीडियो की बनाने की मोटिवेशन मिलता रहे और हाँ, आपके लिए वीडियो जल्दी लाते रहें। तो प्लीज़ जो भी मैंने बोला है वो आप कर दीजिएगा। हम आपसे मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में किसी नए टॉपिक के डिबेट के साथ। तब तक के लिए राधे राधे।